My name is Komal. I'm the Vice President at SportzGuard's, and I'm here at one of the most prestigious gated community and very luxurious gated community in South India. Today we have taken a project at one of the most luxurious gated communities. The client has asked us to remove the existing rubberized tiles and replace it with SportzGuard's SuperSafe EPDM Rubberized flooring. Now this is called a rubberized tile, where this is made out of a tyre material, and this is just a tyre material which is just painted, so this is not hygienic for children. And this now has uprooted and become like a very unsafe zone for children because of the way it has uprooted. During winter and rainy season, the adhesive just pops up and the entire tiling gets disrupted, making this place a very unsafe place for children to play, where the child can just stumble upon and have a fall. And because the tiles don't have any shock absorbance, and this has become super hard right now, and when a child falls, there is absolutely no way that the child can be protected. The child will definitely get hurt. Now what we're doing is we're removing everything from this and piling it up there, and that goes in the trash. Now we can see what we are going to do now is, after we remove everything, we are then going to clean this up, and we are going to use our specialized equipments to clean this, and you will not believe what we are going to set here. A very seamless and very safe for children to play in their most favorite place called the Children Play Area. Stay tuned.